All right, welcome back. And this tutorial I'll be showing you the last button, the first panel, and that's it's the options. You have several options there. So let's just jump into it right away because we have a lot to touch. Okay, so the last button is the three dotted one where you have options and modifications. Is that okay? So you just click on it. When you click on it, you have these options. You can use the image from your gallery as your background. So instead of having this, what's it called? This green gradient as your background, you can use image from gallery, and it's different from this. When you select from, when you had from here, it's going to place it on this background, right? Okay, let's just try it. All right. Can you see? So it places it on this background. But here, when you say use image from gallery, it makes this. Can you see? It makes this the background itself, right? So it's as simple as that. Then full screen. You want to check out your stores without the buttons and the panels, so you can check out the full screen and see how your designs how your design looks like, right? Okay, so you can use image from camera. Maybe you want to snap something with your camera, you can do that. All right, so you can just snap, right? Then make use of it. See, it's going to turn it to your background, right? Then you can export image. It's like saving, right? When you export the image, save to gallery, just like you are saving, you will find it in your Pixellab folder on your phone, right? In your gallery. Then what else? Image size. Now, in one of our previous tutorials, I told you that it's important you set your image size. That's your canvas size, your document size, before you start your project. Is that okay? It's very important because when you want to set that, when you are done, it will affect your design. So it's better to save, to determine your size at the beginning of your project. So let me just go back to default. Is that okay? Then let's go to image size. So when you click on it, you will see some presets. There are some presets. Excuse me. There are some presets that came with it. So you have square, you have profile picture, YouTube channel banner. So a client wants you to design a YouTube channel banner for him or her. So you just click on it. That's 2560 by 1440, right? So there are times when you just want to make use of your own dimension. So you just go to custom and do whatever you want to do. Is that okay? 960 by, let me do 766 by. Is that okay? Maybe you want to design a roll-up banner. diagram, or you want to design whatever you want to design, just make sure you know the dimension and you put it in the custom and insert your width and your height, right? Very, very important. Okay, then the next one is contact us. So when you click on that, it will launch it will launch your browser, but I intentionally switched off my internet to avoid ads, because in Pixellab, when your internet is on and you're not on premium subscription, you tend to receive ads, right? Advertisements. Okay, so tutorials, when you click on it, will launch your YouTube application. Tutorials, see your YouTube applications to check out the tutorials, right? They have some tutorials. Then remove ads, that's to go to premium, right? When you want to remove ads, that means you want to subscribe for the premium package. So when you click on it, yes, it will load your payment method, but I don't have internet. Okay, so then recover autosave. Yes, Pixellab does autosave, but that does not stop you from saving your work yourself, right? So, excuse me. Recover autosave. So these are the autosaves diagram. So March 22, and these are the autosaves, right? So I can select one. Can you see? So, but I will advise save your work. But maybe you are designing and your phone just went off or something happened. So you can come to this and recover. Is that okay? Then open a .plp, that's Pixellab project file. So you can, maybe someone sent you something also, you can open it from your previous work, and by clicking back can locate your you can launch your file explorer. Is that okay? You can launch your file explorer and locate your .plp file in your file explorer. Imagine someone sends you a PLP file to work on, you understand, or to check out. You can just go to the place where you kept it. Is that okay? All right. So then the last thing is about the Pixellab. Just to know about them, as simple as that. Then the last one is exit. We want to close the application. Is that okay? All right. So that's, if you want to close it, click OK, and if you don't want to, click cancel. And in this stead, I don't want to close. I just click cancel. All right. And that's all for the first panel: the plus, the diskette, the share, the quotes, and the option. Right. So that will be all. See you in the next tutorial.